Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror from near the Maldhakka Chowk on the station road. As you can see here, an auto rickshaw was involved in an accident in the wee hours of the morning at around 3:34 a.m. Tried to cross the road and was hit by another vehicle. The rickshaw is completely damaged, as you can see here. There were about 4 occupants in the rickshaw. All of them received injuries and have been admitted to hospital. This is a clear case of rash and negligent driving, and it looks like that this rickshaw is carrying a banner of some political party. So obviously they must have been campaigning somewhere and were in a rush to get off to go somewhere. So this mishap has taken place because they were in a hurry probably to cross the road and did not pay attention to other vehicles coming from the opposite direction or from the side. Completely damaged, as you can see here. The handle is broken, the steering. There's glass and debris lying on the floor. All occupants who were probably campaigning for some political party have been admitted to hospital. The rear seat also is on the footboard. The back is completely smashed. The roof is completely damaged and is hanging on one side. Fortunately, there were no fatalities. The Bun Garden Traffic Police told Pune Mirror that drivers of vehicle, people who are driving the vehicle, should pay more attention when they are crossing the road. They should not jump signals. They should pay attention and be a little more vigilant. Accidents like this are occurring very frequently in and around Pune. Some fatalities also have occurred. Some time back, 3 youngsters died in a horrific car crash when they were under the influence of alcohol. All 3 lost their lives. Other accidents have taken place. The other day, a young girl, a lady, came under a bus in Viman Nagar. She also passed away in the hospital. The traffic in Pune has increased tremendously. The huge volume of traffic you can see here. This is the Maldhakka Chowk, and this is the road going to Pune station. Pune station is a short distance away. This is a very busy intersection. Even at 4 a.m, if this accident has taken place, obviously the other vehicle was also speeding. From the state of this auto rickshaw, it is a surprise that all 4 occupants are alive. The traffic police told Pune Mirror just a while ago that they have been admitted to hospital, and obviously they were distracted. The driver was distracted by something which caused the accident. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror from near Pune station at the Maldhakka Chowk.